to my channel. Today I'm building my own switch. And this is the base plate where I'm going to put the switch over here. Let's get building. First, these are the stuff. So these are the things that we have to build it. So let's get started. So I've been thinking of an idea. Okay, so I'm going to do it like this and then do this because this, so if you flip it, it goes on the other side, so I just have to copy that like this. And we need this to connect, so you'll just make this one just like this. And then just put this over here, like this, and then I'll just add this, and then at the other side too. And then this is the thing where you have to flip. It's almost working already. So I'll just do this and this. So I will use this. So it's like this. But you're wondering why, you're wondering why though. I have to put this. You have to stick around at the end. I'm just putting some design. Hold on. Oh no! So I finally did this and then just do this. And then these, I don't know what to do with this, but think need this. This is just going to be our hammer because this like this, but we need this. Okay, and then this, and this. And so you're wondering what's these for? If I don't want to use this switch anymore, I can do this. The perfect fit. Boom, it fits perfectly, and if I want to grab it, I'll just And the final resort, you'll hear the switch sound, my own switch sound. And that's all. Bye, guys. Guys, I actually forgot to put it on the base. Wait, where's the base? Hold on, I think it's in my pocket. Okay, let's put it on the base now. And ta-da! And what's this hammer for? Ow. Or I can just remove this part and then rocket launch. Oh. And then rocket launch. See? And if I just do the hammer. So I think that's all for now, guys. Bye!